So we start off today's video with this DIY transformation. It looks like they are going to be making a table here. Oh wow, very cool side table idea, and that looked pretty easy to put together. Very nice. I also like the fact that she used it as a planter. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Oh, for the kids' room. Oh, this is cute. Nice, simple idea too. That's also decorative. Very cool. Whoa. So we have another side table. This one features some baskets. Wow. So I've seen where people have made tables out of like baskets. They usually do like a coffee table. I've never seen anyone do a side table before, so this is going to be really interesting. Oh, this is cute. Very nice. I love the vibe. Next up, we have this tile DIY. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Very cool. So we have some planters here for the next one. Oh, she made a table. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. What a cool idea. And it's for the outdoor space too. Very nice. Alright, so this DIY is going to feature a menu design. I feel like this project is perfect for if you have kids and they want to know what's for dinner tonight. Such a nice, fun, creative DIY idea. Very nice. Oh, I like how it has a little fork and the knife. That's cute. And then we have this lamp design. So this has like a checkered print or fill to it. Wow, that looks so cool. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.